Good morning students, welcome to maths class. So in the last class we did expanded form and short form. So let's recapitulate the topic once again. To understand the value of each digit in the number, we write a number in expanded form. हम expanded form में किसी भी नंबर को क्यों लिखते हैं? To understand the value of each digit. हर डिजिट की वैल्यू अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए कि किसी भी नंबर में किस डिजिट की क्या वैल्यू है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल we have written 4567 in expanded form. See here the digit 4 has a value of 4000 and digit 5 has the value of 500 and digit 6 has the value of 60 and digit 7 has the value of 7. So if anybody asks you what is the value of 5 in this number, you can easily tell by seeing the expanded form. So here the value of 5 is 500. अगर आपसे कोई भी इस नंबर में 5 की वैल्यू पूछे तो आप इजीली एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में चेंज करके बता सकते हो, दैट इज 500, और यू कैन यूज द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑल्सो. So when the expanded form is compressed, that is called short form. So now I hope you all have understood this topic. So today I am going to start a new topic, that is successor and predecessor. So what is predecessor and what is successor? Let's see. First of all we will check predecessor. So predecessor means before. If I say you have done this chapter in your class first also, do you think you have done? Okay, if I say you have done what comes after and what comes before, yes, now you recognized. So this chapter is same like what comes after and what comes before, just we have changed the names. Here predecessor means before. So one less than any given number is called the predecessor of that number. जब हम किसी भी नंबर में से वन लेस कर देते हैं, मतलब कि उसका पीछे वाला नंबर लेते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रीडिसेसर. दैट इज व्हाट कम्स बिफोर. सो बिफोर को हम प्रीडिसेसर से बुलाते हैं. So the other name for what comes before is predecessor. And in this chapter, how you will get predecessor of a number? By subtracting 1. जब भी आपको किसी नंबर का predecessor find out करना है, आपने उसमें से 1 subtract कर देना है. See in the example, we have number 578. And we have to find out the predecessor of this number. So what we have done in the rough work, I subtracted 1 from 578 and I got 577. मैंने 1 subtract किया 578 में से और मुझे मिल गया predecessor 577. हम what comes before में भी ऐसे ही करते थे, हम पिछला नंबर लेते थे. In this way we will do predecessor. See the next example. Here we have 4598. Now we have to find out the predecessor of this number. What we will do? We will subtract 1 from 4598 and we will get 4597. So in this way you will solve predecessor, that is what comes before. Okay, इसमें हमें -1 करना है, ये हम कैसे पता चलेगा? See, pre means पहले, तो आपने pre याद रखना है वर्ड. That pre means पहले, it means what comes before means हमें 1 subtract करना है. Okay, now we will move to successor. Now we will do successor. Successor means after. So what comes after you have done in first class, उसमें हम क्या करते थे, हम किसी भी नंबर से अगला नंबर लेते थे और वो अगला नंबर हमें कैसे मिलता था? बाय एडिंग 1. So in successor we will add 1. in the given number. See, in the rough work I have added 1 in 5631 and I got number 5632 as a successor of the given number. So it means one more than any given number is called the successor of that number. So जब हम किसी भी नंबर में 1 ऐड करते हैं, जो ऐड करने के बाद हमें नंबर मिलता है, that is called successor. So in this way we will solve predecessors and successor. So predecessor, pre means पहले, means हमें -1 करना है, और successor means after हमें +1 करना है. Okay, I hope you all have understood the chapter. Now I will give you some sums in worksheet 10. You have to solve those sums, and if you have any doubt you can ask me anytime. Till then, goodbye.